Hello, hi, welcome to SKS4 World. Today we will see the unboxing of Luminous solar inverter. So this is one kind of solar inverter having Luminous brand. So the model number of this inverter is NXG1400. For domestic purpose, it is the highest or largest rating of the solar inverter. Solar inverter, you can give the 1 kilowatt solar input in this solar inverter. So 1 kilowatt means you can give 10 numbers of 100 watt peak solar module. Otherwise you can give 160 watt peak solar module into 6. So this is the packing of solar inverter. So in both side, two sides, it's a really heavy in weight also. And uh, see, Luminous inverter, I choose Luminous because the service quality and policy is very good, and you can get it easily in your market, and the you can get service in your doorstep also. So that's why I choose to in Luminous. So many brands are there in solar inverter, but if you see in domestic line, if you see in domestic line, then Luminous is not bad. So this is the highest, largest capacity solar inverter of Luminous. So you can get uh, s- 1 kilowatt 1 kilowatt output from it. And this is the inverter. It is looking very good, and you see the color also very good. And this cables is there in back side. So we will show which cable is, like, see this black cable and red cable. This is battery terminal cable. So red cable will goes to plus terminal, and black cable will goes to minus terminal. So this is the power cable of solar inverter. So you have to take input from this cable. This is the inverter output cable, and it is 16 ampere socket. And this is serial number of inverter. This is cooling fan of inverter, and this terminal is solar input supply you can give here. And this is one switch here. You can see current and voltage here. Also this is power on off switch. And you can see in here, the in front of you, so many figures are there. When you are charging from solar, you will see the solar charging will be on, and you will see charging from main charging will be there. And this is digital display inverter. And battery low, battery discharge, overload, eco mode. You can see so many functions is here, and which function is running you can see easily. And you can get solar power from this inverter easily. For domestic purpose, this inverter is very good. And I think this inverter is very good for domestic purpose. This terminal, 3 terminal is, you have to give earthing, must earthing, and earthing is compulsory. And this terminal, this 2 terminal, it is battery cable. And company is given with locked off. And so that's why I have preferred this Luminous brand. So if any question or any comment for this solar inverter, then please, this is the solar input. You have to give plus minus solar supply. And here the serial number. And overally you saw the solar inverter unboxing. So please comment. Thank you.